Time to put together the CR250. So the motor's all done, finished up. Cobwebs.
Dang.
Thing's been sitting around for a while. First we're going to drop the motor into the frame. So I got to pull it off the Niemela Concepts engine stand. This thing has just been super handy throughout the whole build process. This thing's my baby. I'm just being picky and putting all the bolts in from the right side. So basically what I do here is get all the engine bolts started, kind of just hand tight, and then once I get everything together, like the whole bike together, I'll go through and torque them, and it kind of like centers the whole bike. And once you compress the suspension, everything just sort of lines up naturally, and then you can go ahead and torque it. So I'm just gonna leave all of these bolts hand tight for now. And then all of these engine bolts here, I'm gonna use blue thread locker on just to keep them in place. Oh shoot, almost dropped a nut in the engine there. Forgot about one thing. works connection sent over a little oil fill plug. I don't know why I forgot about it. Should have had it on the motor a long time ago, but might as well just thread it on right now. Get something to complement that fat head there. Look at that thing, so trick. Before I make the mistake of dropping anything in the intake, like a bolt or whatever, helps to stuff a rag in there. Just don't want to forget it in there, that's for sure. So next up is going to be mounting up the swing arm. Got this over here. Thing's been all dusty from sitting for so many months. Give her a little wipe down and get her mounted up. Thing's looking fresh. Of course, always got to grease things up. What I'm using here is Maximum waterproof grease. Alright guys, I'm going to slide these forks in, but I need to find the bolts I'll need for the triple clamps. So, they're all right here, but as you can see, they're kind of old and corroded. These things are like almost 20 years old. So luckily, I do have a bunch of new bolts here. Bolt Motorcycle Hardware sent this over, whole kit. Check that out. So it looks like these are going to be the triple clamp bolts right here. Super shiny. See how they fit. Perfect.
Heck yeah, dude.
Just trying, bro. Heck yeah. Alright guys, got a couple more things to bolt on here. We have a sweet shifter, Tusk brand. Rocky Mountain was nice enough to send over. Kickstarter, stock one, just all pimped out. Exhaust flange. And then the stock reeds. So I haven't got around to getting like an aftermarket set like Boysen or V-Force yet. So I'm just gonna run with these for now. And then later on, once I get a aftermarket set, I'm gonna see what the difference is with that. Put your gasket on here. Slide this into place. Don't want to forget that rag in there. I know a few people have done that. Never a good outcome. Yeah, it kind of sucks using just a stock reed cage right now, but it'll work. I got this on right. I am gonna have to flip that around. It's a little better. There we go, you can kind of see everything actually lines up there. All right, so when I'm putting stuff together, sometimes you don't know, like in between here, if there should be a gasket or not, which I'm pretty sure there shouldn't be because it's already kind of sealed right here. But I'm just gonna double check. So come over here to the computer, pull up a diagram over here on Rocky Mountain, and they just have a whole parts diagram here. So I'm gonna go find cylinder, cylinder head. No, it's actually gonna be under crankcase. And you can see the whole layout here. So you can see there's a gasket in between the reed cage and the crankcase, but no gasket between the intake manifold and the reed cage. So we're good. So one of my favorite tools here is the ASV Y handle. I'll actually have this link down below where you can buy it, I believe on Amazon. So yeah, go check them out if you want a handy tool. Just gonna finish tightening up the intake manifold here. So whenever I'm putting a shifter or brake pedal on, I like to keep it level with the foot pegs. So you get like a flat piece of something, or just use your hand and line it up here. So that looks pretty close right there. And for this one, getting this bolt in is a little tricky. Coming from the bottom side. Gotta wiggle that thing around a little bit. There we go. Probably cross-threaded it. Got my boy Ryan out here helping out with filming. Ryan, tell him what's up.
Hey, what's up guys? Out here helping out Bam Bam with the project. He's got it going on, pretty killer channel. Yeah, if you guys want to check out any of our work, I think Cam will drop a link below.
Yep, I'll have the link to their Instagram down below. It is called Niemela Productions, so check it out. So for the Kickstarter, the bolts always come loose on these. Pretty common deal, so you absolutely have to put Loctite on them. Dude, this thing's got some gnarly compression. So last thing we're gonna do here is pop on the exhaust flange. It's got a gasket that goes in between. Let's see here, make sure I'm getting this on right. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up the video. So a little bit different style here. We had a lot of cinematic stuff, really detailed shots. But if you like that style, let me know down in the comment section. And also stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be doing some really cool stuff, building around the engine. So make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button too. Alright guys, thanks for watching and keep it prime.